On Wednesday, Toyota and Mazda declared they would manufacture another $1.6 billion auto get-together plant in Alabama, drawing acclaim from Trump. VP Mike Pence adulated Fiat Chrysler's declaration. "Assembling is back. Awesome declaration. Confirmation that this present administrator's America First approaches are working," Pence said in a Twitter posting. Chrysler brought its yield up in Mexico by 39% in 2017 to 639,000 vehicles, as per Mexican government information. That made Fiat Chrysler the third biggest maker of vehicles in Mexico in 2017, after Nissan and General Motors. The United States and Canada are the main markets for full-measure overwhelming obligation pickup trucks, the greater part of which are delivered in the United States by FCA, GM, Ford, Toyota, and Nissan. Miguel Ceballos, FCA representative for Mexico, said the organization in 2018 and 2019 expects more development in Mexico, and the minute it quits creating the Ram heavy-duty pickups it will begin to deliver the new plug vehicle, which still does not have a name, Ceballos said. "It will be for worldwide dispersion. Right now the Ram is just circulated at the level of NAFTA," he said. Ceballos said there was no present arrangement to either lessen or develop the workforce in Mexico. GM has been preparing a plant in Silao, Mexico, to fabricate another age of extensive pickup trucks. FCA on Thursday said it likewise would make an uncommon reward installment of $2,000 to around 60,000 FCA hourly and salaried workers in the United States, totaling about $120 million. Regularly, U.S. automakers just pay rewards to hourly laborers as a major aspect of aggregate dealing ascension.